The iPad Mini 7 is almost here and the rumors are hotter than ever. If you're as excited as I am about Apple's next mini tablet, then stick around. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 rumors you need to know before the big September event. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Countdown to September 9th. All right, the clock is ticking down to Apple's September Glow Time event, and everyone's buzzing about the iPad Mini 7. So what can we expect? Let's break down the 5 most likely rumors. First up, hardware design. Remember how sleek the iPad Mini 6 felt in your hand? That smooth premium finish. Well, good news. Apple's sticking with that tried and true design. Sure, some of you might be dreaming of a foldable iPad, but don't hold your breath just yet. The dimensions, pretty much the same as the Mini 6, and that lightweight feel still there. It's a case of if it ain't broke, don't fix it, and honestly, I'm here for it. Now, about that display, we're not hearing anything about an updated display in the iPad Mini 7, and reports seem to corroborate an 8.3-inch liquid retina display with a 2266 x 1488 pixel resolution. I would have loved to see a 120 hertz refresh rate, but Apple sticking stubbornly to 60 hertz for anything other than its Pro models has been the modus operandi for years. One welcome change we're hearing about tackles the biggest problem we had with the iPad Mini 6's screen: jelly scrolling. If you are to scroll up and down on the current Mini, you may notice the content wobble as one side of the screen lags against the other. The 7th Gen tablet looks set to fix this with a new display controller that works faster to keep it all in line. Oh, and if you've been waiting for OLED, you're going to be waiting for a lot longer. We've only just had our minds collectively blown by the tandem OLED panel in the M4 iPad Pro, and Apple is seemingly slow rolling this display tech out to other models. Rumors point to 2026. Next, let's talk power. Rumor has it we're getting RAM upgrade from 4 to 8 gigabytes. That's going to be a game changer for multitasking. No more slowdowns when you've got multiple apps open, and fingers crossed, we'll see the base storage jump to 128 gigabytes. With all the content we're downloading these days, we need it. Okay, here's where things get interesting: the processor. Right now, everyone's saying the iPad Mini 7 will have the A16 chip, but I'm a bit skeptical. With Apple's big push into AI, they might just surprise us with the A17, which would make more sense. It's all about that neural engine, folks. Keep your eyes peeled. Finally, this one seems pretty open and shut if you are to look at the tipsters. The 6th Gen iPad Mini launched at $499, a $100 increase from the last model, but we're expecting the iPad Mini 7 to remain at this same price. So now we wait. I think it's more likely than not to see the new iPad Mini drop at the iPhone event, but we are anticipating an October Apple event talking about MacBooks. It could very well happen then. Either way, I recommend you don't buy the current Mini for now, as I'm very confident this is coming soon. So there you have it, the 5 rumors you need to know about the iPad Mini 7. With all these upgrades, it's shaping up to be a solid device. But here's the thing. If you're thinking of buying the current iPad Mini, I'd hold off just a little longer. The new one is almost here, and I'm confident it's going to be worth the wait. Now, what do you think? Which of these rumors has you the most excited? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you want to stay up to date on all things Apple, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.